Right. I can't remember what channeling was. Oh, just like one of ones. I was like, as soon as I found out the Jungle Queen wasn't in it, I was like, what's the point?
That's right.
We have Linara, Gul'dan, Art of Samwise Uther, Arbither, Malfurion Stormrage, and Hydralisk. Now I struggle with names for the next 10 minutes. We have Etc., Greymane, Diva, Ultimate Ready, Thrall, Gul'dan, and Baneling.
I'm hoping for at least 2 Magdas.
Okay, that's fair.
You need a Magda.
We have Malagos, Reinhardt, BlizzCon, 2011, Uther Lightbringer, Dark Wanderer, and Mazul. Malfurion Stormrage, Manara. We have our first cube, which is Lyric, Uther Lightbringer, Alexei Stukov, and Khadgar. We have our first little Hearthstone mini book card thing, and SCV. Sounds like it could be a Law and Order show.
Oh.
We have Abathur, Enduin Rin, another cube of Gom, Bara, Deathwing, and Terrell. Chen Stormstout, Uther Lightbringer, Zenyatta, Ultimate Ready, Maeve Shadowsong, Stalker, and Daneth Trollbane. Garrosh Hellscream, Rock'n'Roll Racing, Jim Raynor in the silver, Enduin Rin, Caldace Sunstrider, Sunstrider, and Velrock Sarfang. There's someone else in this, the Stormstrider, I swear. Unless I'm just making them all up because they sound the same.
We'll soon find out from our helpful viewers.
We have Cassia, Messi, Cube of Adria, Anna Barak, Queen of Blades, and Artanis. Lady Vashi, Blackthorn, Baptiste, Ultimate Ready, Uther Lightbringer, Senjin, and Lurker. Zenyatta, Velen. We have a silver of Maeve Shadowsong, Zenyatta, Diablo, and Zealot. We have Lily, Bastion, a cube of Oriel, Kudran Wildhammer, Lyric, and Deckard Cain. Khadgar. We have a War Banner of Terran, Blackthorn in the Spectral, and Lanerin. We have Hearthstone little booklets, Arcturus Minx, The Lost Vikings, a Zerg Warbanner, Spectral Tyrande Whisperwind, and Phoenix. Illidan, Kira, Garrosh Hellscream Silver, Chen Stormstout, Archimond, and Sylvanas Windrunner. Tiger Spindlay, Akama, we have a cube of Diablo, Leah, Cedia, and Marine. Torbjorn, Endurin, Rock'n'Roll Racing Silver, Velek, Vala, and Butcher. Blackthorn, Alexstrasza, cube of Leah, Tracer, Grommash Hellscream, and Sarah Kerrigan. And our last pack, we have Zul, Morgul. Oh, we have a Mercy, Cadacious emote. We have Jim Raynor, Kargath Bladefist, and Mal'Ganis.